If you're looking for a powerful long-range electric bike, the FREESKY Alaska Pro is definitely one that's getting a lot of attention. After looking into its specs and rider feedback, here's my quick take. The biggest highlight is the dual battery setup. FREESKY claims up to 160 miles of range, which is significantly more than most e-bikes in this category. It also comes with a powerful motor, fat 26-inch tires, full suspension, and hydraulic disc brakes, making it suitable for trails, gravel roads, commuting, and even snow or sand riding. In real-world use, riders generally praise the bike's power, stability, and long-distance capability. Many owners describe it as a beast that feels more like a small off-road vehicle than a traditional bicycle. However, it's not perfect. The Alaska Pro is heavy, and some users have reported issues with stock tires, kickstands, and brake performance under aggressive riding conditions. A few reviewers also mentioned that the suspension is better suited for light off-road use rather than serious mountain biking. So, is it worth your money? If you want huge range, lots of power, and all-terrain versatility at a competitive price, the FREESKY Alaska Pro is a strong option. Just be prepared for its size and weight.